Now, in this one we are about to going for seeing the line which is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So here is the one that the line which is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to VP. So this one what it is making an inclination. So just I am showing it to you that the locus of line like just this one which is making an inclination with respect to vertical plane. So right now which is parallel to horizontal plane. So the thing is that here in this case that how do we go ahead for seeing the line with its true length. So coming to its true length visualization, that which is not possible from the front view, it is possible from the top view, because in the earlier case what we have seen, when the line is inclined to HP, the true length was about to be visible from the front view. But right now in this case the line which is inclined to VP, the true length is visible from the top view. So drawing its true length over here, marking the point as A, B, and which is at a distance of 40 mm, from the XY line we are about to draw. And coming to its front view visualization, it is at a height of 20 mm. The line which is about to be drawn, the line which is to be said as a reduced length A dash B dash. So this is the one what we are about to see. So first, whenever we are about to go ahead for drawing the orthographic projections, first we need to draw the true length of the line, and then afterwards we need to go ahead for drawing the reduced length. Or from the obtained projections from the true length of the line only we can get the reduced length. So right now, coming to the point here, draw the XY line, vertical plane, horizontal plane. Now, so 20 mm above HP, 40 mm in front of VP. Draw the locus lines. Now, the true length which is at an angle of 45 degrees, first we need to draw that one. So, mentioning the location of the point over here, marking this point as A. Now, at an angle of 45 degrees, a length of 75 mm is yet about to be drawn. So, marking this point as B. So, this line which is at an angle of 45 degrees. This is at a distance of 20 mm, at a distance of 40 mm. In front of 40 mm, the line which is inclined to VP, which is projected on the horizontal plane, is drawn over here. Now, draw the projections. Vertically upside, and this is my true length. That which I am taking, which is given as around like 75 mm. That's what I am taking. Now draw the vertical projection. The projection should be always vertical enough. And above HP is there, no? To that extent, above the XY line of 20 mm above HP, we need to extend. And where these 2 points are touching, mark them here. Marking this point as A dash, B dash. This is my reduced length. So this is what about the projection of a line which is inclined to VP and parallel to HP.